Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Database, Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers.
Question number 51. How to find median in SQL Server Database? In this session, we are going to discuss about how to find median in SQL Server Database. Median is not directly available as a built-in aggregate function like average, but we can calculate it using Windows functions and subqueries. Coming to the median logic, median is equal to middle value in the sorted list. If numbers of rows is odd, it picks the middle value. If numbers of rows is even, average of two middle values. There are two different solutions for this. Coming to the first solution, using percentile_count function, it is from SQL Server 2012 plus versions. SQL Server 2012 introduced percentile_count function as an analytic function that makes median calculation easy. Coming to the query, select percentile_count 0.5 within group order by value over as median from numbers. Numbers is the table here. Coming to the explanation, percentile count 0.5 it calculates 50th percentile, that is median. Within group, order by value, sort by column. Over function applies to the entire result set. It works for both even and odd rows, counts automatically. And coming to the next solution, that is using Windows functions, it is compatible with older SQL Server versions, that is before SQL Server 2012 versions. If you are on SQL Server before 2012, you can still calculate median manually. Here we are using CTE, that is common table expression that starts with a keyword like with, and this is a CTE name that is ordered, with ordered as select value comma row number over order by value as row number, count star over as total count from numbers, and we are selecting average value into 1.0 as median from ordered CTE, where row number in total count plus 1 divided by 2, this is for odd numbers, and total count plus 2 divided by 2, which is having two values, and by averaging them, and we are going to get the median for this as well. Coming to the explanation part, row number function assigns sequential numbers to sorted values. Count star over function finds total rows count and picks the middle rows. If odd count, single middle row. If even counts, that means two numbers, that is going to average, gives mean. That the rows are in the previous query. And to test even number of rows, we have like a table, and we are inserting this data into the table. We can test with this sample data that we'll see in SSMS practically. And coming to the comparison table, coming to the approaches, percentile_count function approach is, the pros are like it is simple, single query, handles odd or even automatically, and the cons are like need SQL Server 2012 plus versions only. Coming to the Windows functions plus average function, coming to the pros, works on older SQL Server versions, and cons are like more verbose. The best practice is use percentile_count function if you are on SQL Server 2012 or later versions. It's cleaner and performs well by using percentile_count function for median. Let's see these things practically in SSMS. We are in SSMS, that is called SQL Server Management Studio, and we are a demo at GKey database. Coming to the table, we are creating a table by using ID, which is an identity column, and value, which is an int data type, and we are going to create this table. Table has been created, and we are inserting the data into the value. Why? Because ID column is identity property, it will generate sequential numbers, and 7 rows got affected. And coming to this part, this is going to test like even numbers will come in this part at the end of this video. And coming to the first solution, that is using percentile_count function, that is from SQL Server to 2012 plus versions. And coming to the queries, we are selecting percentile underscore count 0.5 with group order by value over as median from numbers. Let's execute this block of code, and we got the median as 40. And coming to the next solution, using Windows function compatible with older versions, that is older than 2012 versions. Here we are using with keyword, that is with CTE, with ordered is the CTE name as select value, row number over order by value as row number, count star over as total count from numbers, and we are selecting from the CTE, that is select average value into 1.0 as median from ordered CTE, where row number in total count plus 1 divided by 2, this is for odd number, and total count plus 2 divided by 2, that means you are going to get two even numbers, and we are plussing them and dividing them with 2. In this way we are going to get the desired results that we want for the median. The same result we got for the query, that is median is 40 among these values. And coming to the first part that we want to check here, these are the values. Among these values, 40 was the median for the scenarios that we have discussed. And let's test with the even number of rows. We are truncating the table, and to insert the even numbers, let's execute the truncate statement. The table got truncated. There is no data in the table now. Now we are inserting the even numbers. 6 rows got inserted, and we check the same solutions again. And based on this even numbers, the median is like 35 for the first query. And coming to the next query, for even numbers, the data 35 is the median. In this way, we can go for median calculation by using two approaches. One would be using percentile underscore count function, whereas another one would be using CTE, like compatible with older versions, that is we are using Windows functions and average function in this scenario. For the sample scripts, we are going to put them in the description part. You can download and use them for your practical purposes. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.